Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of Ordinary Differential Equation asked in Csirnet December 2022. So our question is, consider the second order ordinary differential equation this and let x1 x2 be the two solution of this differential equation in this interval. Which of the following is true for the Wronskian W of x1 and x2, that is x1 and x2 the solution of this in this interval, and this is the condition about the Wronskian, and we have to say which of the following is true. So first, by one we have to see the condition. So first condition is W is equals to 0 in AB implies that x1 and x2 are li. It means first option, if W1 is equals to 0, if Wronskian at any point in this interval AB is 0, if in any point is 0, it is implies what? That x1 and x2 are LD. In last video I have tell about Wronskian, that if any point Wronskian is 0, then this is LD, linearly dependent. It is not Li. So option A is wrong. Second option, W can change sign in AB. So this is a result that if Wronskian never change sign in this interval. If Wronskian is positive, then throughout the interval it is positive. If Wronskian is negative, then throughout the negative, and if 0, if throughout the 0. So this option is wrong. Then W of T0 is any point in which Wronskian is 0 for some T0 belongs to AB. That is, for some T0 that belongs to this interval, then Wronskian is equals to 0, implies that Wronskian is 0 in AB. Yes, that is if any point, WT is here, T0 is any point, T0 belongs to what? AB. It is any point in this AB. This implies that Wronskian is equal to 0 throughout in AB, this interval. So this option is correct. If at any point in the interval Wronskian is 0, throughout the interval Wronskian is 0 for any value. So last option, Wronskian of T0, at any point T0 Wronskian is 1 for some T0 belongs to this, implies that Wronskian is equals to 1 in this. This is not true, that if any point Wronskian is 1, then at every point in the interval Wronskian is 1. This is not true. So this option is false. Here the condition is if Wronskian at any point is non-zero, it is 1, that is equals to 1, this is not 0. This implies that is the Wronskian of T0 is equals to 1, where T0 belongs to AB, which implies that Wronskian of T0 is not equals to 0, that every point Wronskian is not 0. This not means Wronskian is equals to 1. Okay, it can be any value except 0 in interval AB. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.